Ever pondered the significance of a clean, uncluttered home? It's not just about aesthetics. It's about maintaining an environment that promotes health, comfort, and peace of mind. But what happens when this serene space is disrupted by an unexpected event, such as a sewage backup? It's a messy, stressful situation that can leave homeowners feeling overwhelmed and unsure of what to do next. Imagine this scenario. A beautiful home in a picturesque neighborhood, its basement a cozy haven for family gatherings and quiet evenings. Suddenly, the tranquility is shattered as the main drain line becomes clogged, causing a sewage and black water backup into the basement. The once clean and inviting space is now a source of contamination, stress, and concern. In such a moment of crisis, prompt action is crucial. This is where the homeowner reaches out to Lakeshore Restoration, LLC, an emergency recovery service that specializes in sewage cleanup, repairs, and restoration. Upon receiving the distress call, Lakeshore Restoration, LLC technicians arrive on the scene, ready to tackle the issue head-on. The cleanup process begins immediately, with the team meticulously removing sewage solids, black water, and contaminated materials, and disposing of them safely and appropriately. But the job doesn't stop there. Once the initial cleanup is complete, the technicians proceed to deep clean the affected area thoroughly, spraying antimicrobials to eliminate any lingering bacteria or harmful substances. Then air purification devices and drying equipment are set up to ensure that the basement is completely dry and ready for the next phase. The final part of the process involves rebuilding the basement, restoring it to its former glory. The Lakeshore Restoration team works diligently, ensuring that every detail is taken care of, and the space is once again a comfortable, clean area for the family to enjoy. In the end, what seemed like an insurmountable problem is resolved efficiently and professionally, with the homeowner's peace of mind restored along with their basement. Lakeshore Restoration, LLC offers a comprehensive range of services from emergency water removal, sewage cleanup to thorough cleaning and decontamination, antimicrobial spraying, and full restoration. They provide prompt professional assistance in times of crisis, ensuring that your home is restored to its clean, comfortable state. So when the unexpected happens, remember, Lakeshore Restoration LLC is there to help you navigate through the mess and back to tranquility. Call now if you need our services, 920-221-1440, or visit lakeshorerestorationlc.com.